Your car just had a digital seizure. This hidden network failed. This is CAN bus, your car's secret nervous system speaking constantly. Without it, your modern car is just expensive, useless metal sculpture.
Imagine wiring everything separately. Cars would weigh tons more, cost fortunes.
CAN bus replaced miles of wires with just two smart twisted ones. Twisted wires and smart signals fight off electrical noise pollution constantly.
Dozens of computers chat non-stop, sharing critical data every single millisecond.
Every message is a tiny, structured digital postcard with address inside. How do vital messages get priority? It's called polite digital shouting.
Crucial data hits brakes instantly. Radio module correctly ignores irrelevant chatter.
Each module needs a special translator chip to speak CAN language. CAN cleverly adds blips to keep everyone perfectly synchronized on time. Every CAN message gets an instant "got it" reply from listeners. Not just one network, cars use multiple CAN speeds for different jobs. Some CAN buses can even work if one wire gets damaged. That invisible dance prevents chaos, keeping you safe during sudden maneuvers. CAN allows different sensors' data to fuse, enabling smart safety features. That port under your dash, it's the secret door listening in. But that port often talks to a gateway, a digital bouncer first.
Technicians eavesdrop on the CAN conversation to diagnose electronic problems faster. Diagnostics speak a specific UDS language over CAN to your car's modules. Tiny resistors prevent signal echoes. One failing causes intermittent electronic ghosts.
A weak battery or bad alternator can starve CAN modules of power.
Water or physical damage to wires causes baffling, hard-to-find CAN problems.
Bad stereo install? It can shout electrical noise onto the CAN network.
A stunning fact. Faulty modules can silence themselves to prevent total network meltdown. But original CAN wasn't built for security. Hackers exploited this trust. Big rigs and tractors use a tougher, specialized version of CAN, J1939. The same core tech runs factories, hospitals, it's everywhere, silently working hard. For future camera sensor data, faster networks like Ethernet join the dance. Future self-driving cars will rely even more heavily on these super networks. Even your phone via Bluetooth adapters can listen to your car's CAN. Did you know your car had this complex invisible dance inside? Smash like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more tech secrets.